So then, welcome back to Manchester, where the local time is now, let me have a look, 20 to 6 in the afternoon. So you can put your clocks back by 2 hours. Temperature outside is, can't remember what he said, let's make it up, 21 degrees. I don't know. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we've left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before leaving us today, please check your seat pockets, under your seat and in the overhead compartments. Put in the items that may otherwise be left behind. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out that may have moved in flight. Any lost property will be handed over to the airport team here in Manchester. It will not remain anything to do with TUI Airways. It gets given to the lost property department. I do believe there's a charge of £25 per item. If you leave anything on this aeroplane, that's what they will charge you to retrieve it. So you don't need a headache, we don't need to pay for work. Please, 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 make sure you've got everything with you. I don't know, passports, wallets, mobile phones, you name it, everything gets left behind every day. We find things. I know you're all eager to get off, but just take a couple of minutes just to make sure you got all your personal belongings. If you give an additional seatbelt and life vest, then please do leave these on the aisle seat as you leave the aeroplane. If you have requested assistance, you will need to remain seated until all of the passengers have disembarked, then we'll be happy to assist you further. You will need to have your passports ready for the immigration authorities. As a reminder, smoking is not allowed, including vapes, in any public building in the UK, so only when you're outside the terminal may you smoke there. Once the aeroplane has stopped, the cabin crew will take just a couple of minutes to focus on carrying out our safety duties. We'll then come back and give further information on which doors will be used to leave the aeroplane. On behalf of everyone here at TUI, your crew on board today, it's been our pleasure having you on board. Have a safe journey home, thank you for flying TUI Airways, and we hope to be of service to you in a not too distant future. A very good afternoon, evening, stroke to you all. This is the moment you're supposed to give us a clap. Thanks. Thank you. I just want to say thanks to all my crew as well. We've worked one crew member down today. I know it's not your issue, but they have worked fantastic. So thank you to all the crew as well. Thank you.